welcome David Kelly.
Yo, yo.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
How are you?
It's
been a long time since I've seen you.
It's been a minute.
Dude,
man.
you're unbelievable.
Yeah,
you're like
man.
Jack now, huh? see some biceps?
Just a little biceps, you know, trying to stay in the gym, you know, trying to stay fit.
All right. I've been, you're around, I take it, right?
Yeah, most definitely, man. Working on a little music right now. I have an album coming out later this year. MKTO, new group. We are MKTO. Check us out on Twitter, man. It's a lot of big stuff going on.
Get out of town. So did you quit the acting thing or you into music?
Oh no, I'm just, you know, music is taking the forefront right now, but definitely still doing the acting thing, auditioning. You know, if any big roles coming up, please let us know. You know, we're taking all opening things, so let us know, man.
All right. So wait, is it like a band or is it just two of you or?
Yeah, it's just two of us. You know, I'm doing the rapping and a little bit of singing, and my bro Tony is doing a lot of the singing. And man, you know, we've been touring the world. We got a song with Neo on the way, and album sounded great.
Kidding.
So yeah.
So you're working with Neo now?
Yep, we have a feature with Neo. It's pretty great, man. It's a lot of heavy hitters on the team.
No kidding. So
yes,
you are you doing like the YouTube thing? Are you doing
Oh yeah, we on the.
That's how Justin Bieber was founded, right?
Right.
YouTube,
I mean, yeah, that's how we got founded on YouTube. Our two producers who we're working with now, and you know, we put some covers up, and it just worked out like that. So yeah, we put our music video up on YouTube, over 2 million hits now. So definitely go check it out, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we put in a lot of work.
No kidding.
MKTO Vivo, we right there.
One more time, wait,
MKTO Vivo.
Okay, no kidding.
Yeah.
No kidding. All right, so you're traveling a little bit. You said where are you going?
Yeah, man, New York. We just had a show in New York and Philly, which was amazing. We just came back from Australia, did a lot of promo out there. Our videos like #2 out there, all over the MTV. It was just crazy being across the other side of the world, man. Australia, so much love.
Memories from Lost. You think that you were gonna crash?
Yeah, man. On the way there, yeah, on the way there, we were tripping out a little bit. Like, hopefully this will be the TV show, you know.
Yeah.
But it was good. We landed safe and sound, man. It was all right.
No, Australia, huh?
Oh yeah, Australia.
Wow.
Can't wait to come back, for real.
All right. So that's it. I mean, are you? So you're like, how old are you now?
I'm 21 in May.
21 too.
Yeah.
Living at home still or no?
Nah, I moved out, you know, I got my own spot, living in Hollywood. You know, it's kind of surreal, man. You know, I always picture myself being in Hollywood, and I'm here now.
All right.
So it's
all
good.
right. Well, that's kind of good because you know a little more street cred.
That's right.
not living with mom anymore.
Not living with mom, so
yeah.
you must be doing all right. You know,
all right. So working out, singing.
Oh yeah, working out, singing in the gym, playing basketball. Go Lakers. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we make it this year.
All right. Let me ask you, North Korea, did they scare the crap out of you or what?
Man, they scared the mess. I was almost packed up and ready to go to Vegas, man. You know, I don't know, but hopefully it seems all right. You know now, but I'm still on my toes. You know, so let's just settle it. Let's just settle it.
Well, I'm gonna check out the YouTube, man.
Check it out, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. Stay up.
You got it.